Okay, everybody. As you know, I test my pool water every day since the refinish. And I normally read on my chlorine either 3 to 6 or 5 to 10 parts per million. But with the Taylor test kit, that color indicator, sometimes it's extremely hard to read accurately. So I bought a different kind of a test kit from Taylor specifically for chlorine. So let's open it up and I'll show you what I've gotten. And this test kit here is going to give you the exact chlorine right down to the number. No more ranges like 5 to 10 or 3 to 6. It's going to be 100% right on the money. So here's the kit. If there's anything else in here. Just a packing slip. All right. So what this kit is it's the Taylor K1515A FAS-DPD chlorine test. All right. So what we have in the kit is we've got some powder. It's called FAS-DPD powder. I'll show it to you here. And we've got a tube to collect the water in. We have R0871 FAS-DPD Titrating agent. And then we have R003 DPD reagent number 3. All right. So if I have this correctly, we need a 25 ml sample in here. And we rinse and filter the 25 sample tube. And for 1 drop of what we put in here is going to be 0.2 parts per million. We add 2 dippers, that little spoon. We add 2 dippers of the powder, swirl until dissolved. Sample will turn pink if there's chlorine. Add R871, drop at a time, swirling and counting after each drop until the color changes from pink to colorless. Multiply those drops by the drop equivalents. So we're going to be using the 25 ml. So we are going to, if it's 10 drops, we're going to add 0.02 times 10, which would be 0.2 or 2.0. All right, that's that number. Then we add 5 drops of the R003. Swirl to mix. Sample will turn pink if combined chlorine is color. Then you add this again, counting after each drop until color changes from pink to colorless. So that's going to be a combined chlorine. The first step when it's colorless is your free chlorine. Right? Let me just make sure of that. Yeah, the free chlorine would be the first one, and the combined chlorine will be the second. So we're going to end this video here. I wanted to show you what was in this kit. We're going to go out and we're going to do this test. It's the first time I've ever done it. I'm looking forward to seeing what those numbers are going to be. Come on along.